Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how you can get brand new iPhone 17 for just only rupees 2500 EMIs, means 20 under 2500 EMIs per month using your ICICI credit card. So make sure you watch till the end because I will show you the full step-by-step process, no tricks, no confusion. Apple launched the iPhone 17 series as like every year. The prices are sky high, but there is a good news. If you have a ICICI Bank credit card, so you grab the iPhone 17 on easy EMI starting at only 2500 rupees. ICICI credit card user, so if you have a ICICI credit card, otherwise you arrange your with your friend. Okay, so guys, let's start. So guys, first of all, you simply go to the Google Chrome and simply search life of iPhone, life for iPhone, life for iPhone. Okay, then you simply tap ICICI. After that, guys, here you live for iPhone ICICI. You go to the link which indicate the India iStore. Please don't click any other link. Simply go this link, India iStore. So this is the official retailer of the iPhone. So guys, you simply open it. Okay, now you allow your location. Now guys, here when you move downward, here you check the effective EMI cost. So guys, here it shows your device model, here is your MRP, and here is your net discount, and this is your tenure, this is your loan amount. So how it's work? So guys, it's work like that. Your iPhone is around 82,900. Okay, now it take only at the first time 75%. Its cost around 62,175. Now it convert your this 75% into the 24-month EMI. Okay, rest amount like 20,775, it pay the last month of your EMI, means after 24 months. It means the 24 months you give the your current EMI of your loan amount with your rest 25%. Okay, so this is the way this offer is work. Okay, and these are the model that are applicable. So guys, this offer is not applicable for the 16 Pro models. It is only for the 16 plus and 16. And guys, here you see a 17 Pro, Air, and the 17. After that, here you also read the term and conditions. So buy now, pay later with 24 months, no cost EMI. 17% of the transaction value will be converted into the EMIs. Balance 25% will be paid at the end of the 24 month. Okay, after that 25% assured cashback plan offer with your survey. Offer valid for all ICICI Bank credit card holders. Offer valid at leading Apple authorized reseller store. Okay, so you choose any retail store. If in your area there is no India iStore, so you also go on other retail like Imagine and your UNI. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.